Boost your self-confidence, essential tips and tricks. Discover the transformative power of positive self-talk in boosting self-confidence. This mental habit can shift your focus from perceived failures to recognizing and celebrating your strengths, fostering a more confident you. Learning the art of body language not only helps in projecting confidence to others, but also reinforces your own sense of self-assurance. Simple changes, such as maintaining eye contact and standing tall, can make a significant difference. Mastering the skill of setting and achieving small goals is a powerful confidence booster. Each success serves as a stepping stone, building your belief in your abilities and paving the way for bigger achievements. A healthy lifestyle plays a crucial role in enhancing self-esteem and confidence. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest not only improve your physical well-being but also uplift your mood and self-image. Visualization techniques offer a unique tool for enhancing self-belief. By mentally rehearsing success, you can prime your mind and body to act with confidence, turning imagined scenarios into real-world achievements. Assertiveness is key to building self-confidence. It involves expressing your thoughts and feelings confidently without aggression. Practicing assertiveness helps you stand up for yourself and fosters mutual respect in relationships. Delving into self-compassion opens a pathway to nurturing your self-confidence. It's about treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you'd offer a friend, which in turn strengthens your inner confidence. Embracing failure is not about celebrating defeat but about learning and growing from it. This mindset builds resilience and teaches you that setbacks are stepping stones to success, enhancing your self-confidence. Comparing yourself to others is a confidence trap. Focusing on your journey and achievements allows you to appreciate your unique strengths and fosters a healthier sense of self-worth and confidence. Handling criticism constructively is an art that boosts self-esteem. It involves listening, assessing, and taking actionable feedback while leaving negativity aside. This approach not only improves skills but also reinforces self-assurance. Dressing for success isn't just about external appearances, it's a powerful tool to boost your confidence from the inside out. The clothes you wear can influence your self-perception and how others view you, setting the stage for positive interactions and opportunities. Tailoring your wardrobe to reflect your personal style and the image you wish to project can significantly enhance your self-assurance in various settings, from professional environments to social gatherings. Having a strong support system plays a crucial role in building and maintaining self-confidence. Surrounding yourself with positive, encouraging people who believe in your abilities can provide a safety net of emotional support. This network of friends, family, and mentors can offer constructive feedback, celebrate your successes, and help you navigate through challenging times, reinforcing your sense of self-worth and belief in your capabilities. Mindfulness introduces a powerful avenue for cultivating a confident mindset. By focusing on the present moment and accepting your thoughts and feelings without judgment, you can develop a deeper understanding of yourself. This practice encourages a shift away from negative self-talk and towards a more compassionate, self-affirming outlook, laying the groundwork for lasting self-confidence. Pursuing your passions is a significant confidence booster. Engaging in activities that you love and are good at can provide a sense of accomplishment and joy. This engagement not only enriches your life, but also reinforces your self-esteem as you recognize your abilities and contributions. The positive emotions and fulfillment derived from doing what you genuinely enjoy can spill over into other areas of your life, enhancing your overall self-confidence. Seeking professional help when grappling with low self-esteem can be a transformative step towards building a healthier self-image. Specialists, such as therapists or counselors, can offer personalized strategies and support to understand and overcome the underlying issues contributing to your feelings of inadequacy. This guidance can be invaluable in developing the tools and resilience needed to face life's challenges with confidence. Setting healthy boundaries is crucial for maintaining self-respect and confidence. It involves clearly defining what is acceptable in relationships and work, ensuring personal needs and values are honored. This fosters a strong sense of self-worth and empowers individuals to make decisions that are best for their well-being. Continuously learning and growing is essential for building self-assurance. Embracing new challenges and acquiring new skills can significantly boost confidence. It demonstrates a commitment to personal development, showing that progress, no matter how small, is being made toward achieving greater goals. Combating social anxiety involves strategies that improve interpersonal confidence, such as practicing social skills in safe environments and gradually facing fears. This process helps individuals feel more comfortable and confident in social situations, enhancing their ability to connect with others. The power of gratitude cannot be underestimated in its ability to enhance self-appreciation and confidence. Regularly acknowledging and expressing thankfulness for the positive aspects of life shifts focus away from negatives, fostering a more optimistic and confident outlook. Creating a personal mantra for daily confidence reinforcement is a powerful tool. It serves as a reminder of one's strengths and abilities, helping to maintain a positive and confident mindset throughout the day. This simple practice can make a significant difference in one's self-belief and overall confidence.